Red Dead Redemption is like my favorite game. I love kidnapping people. I mean, I love the story. It's just so good. Arthur is just such a sexy, great character. So I thought, why not force some AIs to recreate the game? Because Red Dead Redemption 3 won't come out for like 55 years. So I gotta make my own at this point. Okay, I'm here with Big G, also known as Gemini. So let's see if it can create a great game. Let's turn on thinking and canvas. There we have it. Before we do anything, create a Red Dead Redemption style game in which you play as a cowboy in the Wild West. You can ride your horse, rob people. Now what else can you do in Red Dead? Yeah, there is NPCs. So include NPCs that you can interact with, just like in the original game where you can be like friendly.
Y'all doing alright?
Huh. Or like just bully people.
Hey you stinking coward.
Leave me the hell alone, will you?
Let's add 3D here in the beginning, just in case. Also add a weapon wheel and the ability to shoot people. Okay, this seems like a good start, so let's go. It's working, and now it's done. Okay. Alright, I'm here. Look at this sexy character. It looks like a Minecraft sheep over here. The movement is so weird. We're fast. God damn. We could beat Usain Bolt in a race. Are these the NPCs? Yeah. Straggler, watch yourself, cowboy. I'm gonna rob this guy. He's just straight up bullying me, so I'm gonna rob him. Hey, take my money, just don't shoot. Okay, so I guess we got his money. Okay, so they all just... Sheriff, he also says watch yourself. I just greet him because he's the sheriff. He might be dangerous. Good day to you too. It's so empty. There's nothing to do. Okay, let's try the weapon wheel with tab. Okay, I have a revolver. How do I remove the weapon wheel? I'm stuck in the weapon wheel. I'm literally stuck in this weapon wheel. I can't do anything. Okay, I reloaded the game because the weapon wheel limited us. Okay, so let's try to mount it with F. No! I'm standing on it. This is such a great gaming experience.
Why you always lying?
None of the items have like rigid bodies, so I can just pass them. The graphics are just amazing. It's so immersive. If you open the weapon wheel, you're just stuck in it forever. So we need to fix that, and we also need to have some buildings. Okay, this will do for now.
I've updated the game to fix the weapon wheel logic, making it a hold to open interaction, and added a western town area featuring wooden buildings like a saloon and blah blah blah.
So it sounds promising. Let's see if it can live up to its promises. Okay, this immediately looks better. Alright, these NPCs actually look a lot better too. Let's try mount our horse, yeah. It's missing some animations, I feel like. Let's talk to this guy. You lost, stranger. Careful now. Lost watching. Okay, I won't do anything. Let's try to enter one of the buildings. Okay, there's nothing in here. Gemini scammed us. There's nothing in here. You can't even tell which building is the saloon or which is the sheriff's station. They're all just blocks. But let's try to maybe shoot someone. Okay, so when I aim, it just freezes. I can't shoot. Nothing happens when I shoot. What happens if I take a knife? Nothing changes. Rifle? It's just the same thing. What's over here? Oh, are these like cactuses? That's definitely what those look like. A lone rock. Yeah, well, it's better than the first iteration, but we need to fix so we can actually shoot someone. Because I want to do that, like really bad.
I have fixed the shooting mechanism.
I'll bet you $25 Gemini's lying right here. Gemini seems slow today. Okay, it added a bunch of things. Let's just see for ourselves. We have a different hat this time, and our horse looks less like a horse. Oh my god. Okay, let's just try revolver. Okay, I can aim now. Yeah, wasted. Okay, so I'm just gonna massacre this whole little town. Okay, we have to like back off to aim at him. No, we're too far away. Headshot. Let's try the rifle. Seems like the same thing. Alright, I feel like this is as close as we're gonna get with Gemini, so let's move on to the next. Welcome to ChatGPT, the brand new AI. It just dropped like recently. I've never heard of it before. I'm just gonna copy and paste this little prompt here that I wrote before. Unity prototype. I don't think that's what we want. Let's see if we can actually play it in the browser, or I'm gonna have to change the prompt. Yeah, I'm not about to start Unity Hub, so let's just add one little sentence here. So I just added write everything in a standalone HTML file and this should be working. Look at ChatGPT go. I'm so proud of you. I can still remember when I held you in my arms the first time. And look at him now, writing all this code. He grew up so fast. Let's preview ChatGPT's version. I'm a bean. I'm a brown bean. Yo, this game is so good, guys. Is this box my horse? Yeah.
Oh my god, bro.
I don't know if I can show this on YouTube. Actually, this horse is not looking good. Okay, I left my horse. What a great weapon wheel. It just says revolver and I can't do anything. I can't shoot anyone. I can't aim. Oh, I shot him. Wait. Oh, I can't see anything because I have to stand in front of them. I'm just melting these guys right now. Oh my god, it's a massacre. I'm gonna have to live with this on my consciousness for the rest of my life. I don't know if I can handle it, honestly. Let's reload because I can't interact with anyone. Nothing happens when I interact. It's gonna need to fix a lot of things, so I'm just gonna... Let's just say yes. Add all these things. Robbing mechanics, towns, law system, everything like this. Yes, add all this. It's rewriting it like a boss. I haven't got all day ChatGPT. I have a lot of important errands to run.
Why you always lying?
You gotta hurry up, bro. Done. You're officially an outlaw now. Bro, you shut the f up. I'm not gonna lie. And there's a bug. I can't play. You have got to be kidding me. You've reached our limit of messages per hour. This is why Sam Altman needs to go, bro. Okay, since ChatGPT just wants my money, Gemini won again. Gemini literally wins every time, so I think next video I'm gonna have to use another AI than ChatGPT. So let me know in the comments which AI I should use instead of ChatGPT in the next video. Peace out.